Dear students, I am here explaining about the fundamental rights. Fundamental rights related with the Indian constitutions. The fundamental rights that which has a great important role in Indian constitution. Without it, the constitutions of India will be incomplete. Here that another features of the Constitution of India is incorporation of the fundamental rights in it. There are seven main fundamental rights which deals the authority of the central and state government. And number one, right to equality. Right to equality. Number two, right to freedom. Number three, right against exploitation. And also the next, cultural and educational right, and the right to property and right to constitutional remedy. Now just I am going to explain in about the right to equality. Right to just I am going to explain right to equality. Right to equality, the first right to equality, which deals the under Article 14 to 18. Number one, equality before law. In Indian Constitution, every man is equal before the law. हर आदमी जो है कानून के सामने बराबर है. Nobody is rich and the poor, high and the low. This is not system in Indian Constitution. Indian Constitution deals under the fundamental rights that equality before law. Everyone is equal before the law. कानून के सामने. Prohibition of discrimination and prejudice. Prohibition of under in the Indian Constitution under the fundamental rights, the discriminations and the prejudice is forbidden. With very restrictively, any discrimination, bhedbhav and pakshapat is not allowed in Indian Constitution. This system has been established after the independence. Another thing, equality of opportunity. Every person has the full opportunity, that equal opportunity. No one is in this field opportunity equal. Everyone has the equality opportunity, equality of the chance to get the job, to operate the service, and also that to do the business. And abolition of untouchability. Abolition of under the right to equality article that deals that abolition of untouchability. छुआछूत को after the independence has been finished under the constitution according to the fundamental rights. The छुआछूत को खत्म कर दिया गया, abolish कर दिया गया है untouchability. It is a great sign. And also that abolition of title. And under equality and right to equality, under the right to equality, the abolition of title has been finished. Such as in medieval India and also before this, the title were allowed. Title allowed थी, such as Maharaj Dhiraj. This title has been finished. In Mughal period, such as the title were allowed, such as Nuruddin Muhammad Salim al-Jahangir and the Muhammad al-Ilahi Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. This type of the article has been finished in India after the independence. First, I am explaining here the next right to freedom. The right to freedom, the Indian Constitution article deals in 19 to 22. Number one, freedom of speech. Indian Constitution totally allow that anybody, any person freely speak anywhere, in any community, any society. There are no restrictions. Is bounded by the Indian Constitution. And other things, protection in respect of convention. And also the right to freedom. Under the right to freedom, the Indian Constitution has given the protection in field of the respect of the conventions and for offences. Also that the protection of life and personal liberty. The Indian Constitution regarding the fundamental rights, the protection of life has given the full save and protection to the life, and also has given the personal liberty, that means personal freedom, that every person are free to do any work and that to get the education or to operate the business. There are no restrictions. Is bounded by the Indian Constitution, has given the full freedom by the fundamental rights and also the protection against arrest and detention. According to the Indian Constitution, in fundamental rights, the protection also has given in freedom against the arrest and detention. I say that मैं कहता हूँ कि every student know that in about the arrest and detention. There is no necessary system to deal in about the arrest and detention. Next, yeah, right against exploitation. Right against exploitation. These rights deals Article 23-24. Number one, prohibition of traffic in human beings. Prohibition of traffic. ट्रैफिक को प्रोहिबिशन किया गया है इन ह्यूमन बींग्स में कैसे टू फॉलो द रूल्स ऑफ द ट्रैफिक दैट इज द वेरी नेसेसरी follow the traffic rule and according to the traffic rule that you drive the vehicles and also whatever you hire. And second, provision of unemployment of children in factories. Article 24 of the Indian Constitution deals that the children are not liable to do the work in any factories or any industries because of it is forbidden by the Indian Constitution. कोई भी लड़का जो है जो बच्चा है उसको फैक्ट्री या इंडस्ट्री में जो है काम करने के लिए इजाज़त इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो है नहीं देता है छोटे बच्चों. एंड अनदर राइट इज दैट राइट टू फ्रीडम ऑफ रिलीजन. The Indian Constitution has given the full freedom to every individual to celebrate their religions. And no restriction is bounded by the Indian Constitution. Every community of the Indians, such as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, can celebrate their religions and propagate their religion with freely. Because of in India there is no state government religions and central government religion. That is to say here there is no religion of the government of India. Only the preference has given to all the individuals to celebrate their religions with freely and manage and propagate their religions anywhere. That is to say, for this next time I will make you sure, dear students, for this a lot of thanks to all my children, students.